If this is your first time here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon to be notified of my future videos that are going to be popping up soon. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So today is something a little different to my usual videos. I've done stuff like Adobe Draw videos or just random stuff. I'm supposed to be doing music uploads as well, but that'll be coming soon. But today is something a little different, and I'm going to be combining two ingredients and we're going to make something yummy. Milk chocolate. What is it? Chocolate bits. That's milk chocolate bits. Let me just show you what it's like. There you go. There's just chocolate bits, or you can use here you go, milk chocolate. This is cooking chocolate that you can melt in a saucepan or in a microwave, but today we're going to be using the microwave. Quite easy to do, so we'll be doing that. So what I'm going to be combining this with potato chips. These are Smith's potato chips from Australia, if you're not familiar. And they're just original chips with a little bit of salt combined with this. And if you've never tried a chocolate covered potato chip, then I think you're going to be surprised because it's actually yummy. So let's get right into it. Alright, so first we're going to get a microwave bowl. This is just a plastic one. So anything like this, make sure it's not glass, because glass will keep the heat in longer and you might burn the chocolate. So you might just want to use a plastic microwave safe container. And next step, I'm going to put in the chocolate. I'm going to put it all in like that. As you can see, chocolate's in there. Now we're going to put it in the microwave, and we're going to microwave it for about 30 seconds each time. So microwave for about 30 seconds, take it out, check it. We're going to stir it, and we're going to continue to do that each time until all the chocolate's melted. So let's get right into that one. Pop this in. Alright, so we're going to set the timer for 30 seconds. Just 3 and 0. That's it. Start it. Alright, let's see what's happened here. Now, nothing much, as you can see. It's just kind of a little bit melted, but not much, so you just want to continue doing that. Put it in there. Let's check this again. Alright, so it's kind of, as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's sort of getting melted there. So you just want to actually stir it around so it actually melts properly, because that helps. It helps make it melt faster when you actually stir it. So this is actually, look, that's only 60 seconds and that's looking good. I might actually pop this in for just say another 10, 15, maybe 15 seconds, and then yeah, we'll get to the next part. So alright, let's check this out. There you go, guys. We have perfectly melted chocolate, which really took, let's see, 3, 6, say, it took about a minute and 15 seconds, but yeah, we have our melted chocolate there. So let's get stuck into this now and let's do the next step. Right, so next step is just going to get some potato chips. Try and get the big ones if you can, or whatever you desire. Just lay them out on this is a cardboard or paper plate, and so when you make the mess, you can just throw it out. I think that should be quite enough for now, just for demonstration purposes. So let's get our chocolate. Here's our melted chocolate, all nice and yummy. Look at that. Now we're going to get some of it and start to dribble it onto the chip. And I've just got a spoon just to make it a little bit easier. Right, so as of now we've got 8 potato chips that have been covered with chocolate. Now we're going to sit this and leave it here for about, I don't know, I'd say about maybe 30 minutes. I'll leave it for about 30 minutes and then check it up and see if it's ready to eat, and then we'll test it out. Alright guys, here we go. This is about, I don't know, about an hour later. I've just let them set, and we've got chocolate covered potato chips, and yeah, now I'm going to actually try one out, see how it tastes. Alright, so let me just grab one. There you go. She's nicely covered. The back of it, nothing. Top of it, now I was thinking of maybe like dipping the whole thing in, but maybe it would have been too much chocolate, so let's just try this out. Not bad. So let me describe the flavour. You got the sweetness of the chocolate mixed with the salty underneath of the chip. It's not bad. I think this would have been a lot more different, maybe with like salt and vinegar chips. Maybe it would have been a bit more stronger taste. But having said that, this is fine. So there you go, guys. Good experiment. Like chocolate covered chips, potato chips, and you know, it was easy to do. You just melt some chocolate in the microwave, pour it on your favorite chips. It doesn't have to be original chips. It could be, you know, any kind of chips you like. Alright, so that's all for this experiment today. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and share this video around. Make sure other people have seen it. They might be interested in watching this, and yeah, try this experiment out at home. Try it out yourselves and see if you like it. I think it's tasty. And having said all that, thanks for stopping by. Catch you another episode.